Actually, today I was supposed to record this video, मतलब day number 6 of talking to strangers series, but for some reason I'm stopping it at 47 so that कि next जो 53 strangers रहेंगे जिनको मैं approach करूँगा, that has to be in a different city. Yes, we are traveling somewhere else and उसके आगे मैं कुछ बता नहीं सकता. I don't know ये कौन से vlog में मैं डालने वाला हूँ, बट या अगर कल सुबह या फिर उसके बाद मैं कोई स्ट्रेंजर्स को अप्रोच करता हूँ तो प्रॉबेबली दिस वुड बी द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो. सो व्हाट्सअप एवरीबॉडी, होप यू ऑल आर वाइबिंग और स्वागत है आप सभी का टॉकिंग टू स्ट्रेंजर सीरीज़ के 6th एपिसोड में. एनीवेज, अब देखो तुम कोई स्ट्रेंजर को मैंने अप्रोच किया नहीं किया, आई डोंट नो, बट या द न्यूज़ इज़ कि मेरे को जाना है बाहर. वी आर ट्रेवलिंग समवेयर एल्स एंड दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ बिग बिग अपडेट ऑफ माई लाइफ और एक कंप्लीट नई सीरीज़ चालू होगी इसके बाद. सो या क्या बोलते हैं यार, आई एम नॉट एबल टू आर्टिकुलेट. एनीवेज, मे बी कंजप्शन इज समथिंग दैट इज मेकिंग माई क्रिएटिव एबिलिटी वर्स एंड वर्स डे बाय डे. या लेट इट बी. तो इसके पहले की सारे वीडियोस में मैंने क्या किया है कि डायरेक्टली अप्रोच करने के बाद कॉन्वर्सेशन दिखा है. मैंने कभी ये नहीं दिखाया कि अप्रोच कैसे करते हैं. तो लेट्स ट्राई. इस वीडियो में मैं ट्राई करता हूँ कि तुमको दिखाऊँ कि अप्रोच कैसे करते हैं. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. एक्सक्यूज़ मी, आप लोग स्टूडेंट्स हो? क्लास 12 और इक्विवेलेंट? मतलब क्या पढ़ रहे हो अभी तुम लोग? 12. तो 18+ हो तुम लोग? ओके, तो 17. ओके, एक्चुअली आई एम अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर. व्हाट आई डू इज आई अप्रोच स्ट्रेंजर एंड रिकॉर्ड कन्वर्सेशंस विद देम. सो वुड यू गाइस लाइक टू बी पार्ट ऑफ वीडियो? एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछना है बस मेरे को. एक्चुअली ओह नाइस. सो
Yeah, you guys do. कर सच में you looking good today.
I want 3 of you यार. Actually इस वीडियो में मैं 100 लोगों से पूछ रहा हूँ कि what makes them happy in life and right now I'm at 47. So अगर 3 लोग तुम मिल जाते तो 50 मेरा काउंट कंप्लीट हो जाता है.
For me, I think it will be friends. My friends.
You need to be in video actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna record.
हाँ yeah. What's your name?
I'm Anushka.
Vedant.
Nice
Nice to meet you. So yeah, what it is for you?
I think my friends make me happy.
So both of them.
Yeah, both of them.
And apart from friends, मतलब ये तो तुम डिपेंडेंट हो गए उन पे
No,
happiness
it's
के.
not dependent, but what else? I think just being me.
Damn.
Yeah.
Crazy answer यार.
Yeah,
Cool
just
बंदा.
being me makes me happy. Like
Okay.
just being the way I am, the authenticity that I carry, the aura that I carry. I think
Okay.
it makes me happy. Dressing up for myself,
Okay.
doing things for myself because it makes me happy.
Nice. So content creation is a part of that. being
Yeah,
authentic.
it is.
So what do you post there?
Mostly transitions.
Like place transition or fashion related?
Yeah, fashion related, makeup related,
Okay.
all of that.
And what do you study actually? 12th में हो ना आप? JEE NEET.
Yes, I was prepared. I was a NEET aspirant, but
Okay.
I did drop that,
Okay.
and I'm a IP MAT aspirant right now.
What it
So,
is?
It's a competitive exam,
Hmm.
and it gives you direct entry to IIMs
Oh.
with like it
So
in
you
the
want
IIM
to-
in IPM program. So it's
Okay.
like a BBA plus MBA 5-year course.
Okay.
So without having a degree, you can just directly enter into any IIMs and get your MBA.
Damn.
Yeah,
Nice यार.
without giving that.
Cool information यार. पता नहीं था मेरे को इसका ऐसा भी कुछ
I
होता
know, don't
know, many
increase
people don't know, but-
competition, okay?
है. Views नहीं आते उससे मेरे को. Don't worry. एक्चुअली ये मेन है भी नहीं मेरा. मेन थिंग दैट आई अपलोड इज यापिंग. मतलब पता होगा ना तुमको.
Yeah.
सो
of
उस पे
course.
मेरे अच्छे खासे 100,000 व्यूज आ जाते थे. बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट डिस्कम्फर्ट लिटिल बिट. मतलब बहुत इजी होता है ना यापिंग
Yeah,
करना. क्या होता है
that's true.
दैट्स. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट लिटिल बिट ऑफ डिस्कम्फर्ट एंड समवॉट कॉन्फिडेंट बीइंग माई सेल्फ लाइक यू. सो
Thank
या
you.
दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट
I did a lot of hard work on myself to be like this.
या
I went through a lot.
it took
to
a
be
lot
like
of courage,
this.
right?
It did.
You just get judged every single moment. You see people
It's
judging
just the fact that you have to accept that you will get judged. And
Anyways.
anyways,
Yes.
you will. So just have that. I don't give a dash wala attitude. I cannot curse abhi.
Right.
But
So yeah, it was nice talking to you.
thank you.
तुम लोग भी आ जाओ यार प्लीज. मेरे को बहुत हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है यार. बहुत मुश्किल से अप्रोच होते हैं. क्या हुआ क्या? यू आर हैविंग अ बैड डे और व्हाट?
No, they're not having a bad that. They're just camera shy and they don't know how.
ओके तो ऐसा भी चलता है मतलब व्हाट आई डू इज कि मैं ऐसे बात करते रहूँगा, आप लोग ऐसे ही बैठो तो ऐसे ही
If
वीडियो
you
रिकॉर्ड.
want to interview them, just ask questions and they'll answer. Do that because they won't like say things like I did.
ओके ओके ओके.
Yeah.
सो व्हाट डू यू डू? क्या नाम है आपका एक्चुअली?
Krutatvi.
वेदांत. व्हाट इट इज?
Krutatvi.
अगेन?
Krutatvi.
नाइस यार, फर्स्ट टाइम लिसनिंग दिस नेम. कृतात्वी. सो तुम भी 12th में हो?
हाँ.
व्हाट डू यू डू?
Neat.
नीट फिजिक्स वाला.
हाँ.
और या व्हाट मेक्स यू हैप्पी इन लाइफ?
What makes me happy? I guess it's a tough question actually.
नाइस.
It's a really tough question. What makes me happy?
If you are finding it tough ना तो you have good type of realization about yourself. Because randomly लोग कुछ भी बोल देते हैं,
exactly.
traveling, but actual में होता नहीं वो सब, उससे
Yeah,
happiness मिलती नहीं.
exactly. You have to think a lot for this question.
All the mature guys I asked ना 80s के ऊपर 60s के ऊपर, उनके पास आंसर ही नहीं था कि what actually make them happy.
Yeah, this is a tough question to answer because as a picky person, you can like blabber, ki, yeah, this makes me happy, but that's not actually the answer, no. It's make me anxious now. I have to think a lot.
Still, if you want to answer, if you want to give any answer, if you need to pick something, what will be?
Dressing up,
Okay.
being you know like being clean, being
Hygienic.
hygienic, not hygienic, like
Okay.
like
क्या देख रही थी वापस जाए?
dressing up good,
Okay.
dressing up clean, and putting up that clean energy everywhere,
Okay.
like
What was her reaction?
like good energy, spreading good energy,
Damn good
Good
answer.
take
Damn good
aura.
answer. Damn good answer.
like spreading good aura around you that people will always feel warm, comfort,
Okay.
that people are happy and then you are also happy,
I was
that
about to
aura. Yeah.
Like making others happy makes her happy.
Damn,
Yeah.
damn good answer. Damn
I
good
feel
answer.
that.
What
Yeah.
are they saying is making others happy, make them happy.
Yeah,
Cool, right?
And I've
spreading
noticed
good
that
aura.
about her. I've noticed that about her.
So you feel happy when you stay with them. Her. Sorry.
Of course.
Nice, yaar.
Why not? I think in such a younger age I found my people. And
Yeah.
I think it's
Seriously.
I should be so
Yeah.
अभी तो तुम कॉलेज में आने के हो ना, इसलिए तो you guys are feeling like that. Once you get into college, you will actually understand what is human.
No,
the
that's
thing is what people think that with a younger age you don't have that much experience, and that's why people they take you very lightly. But when you get to know a person and the things that they have experienced, even though they are just so young, it hits different because they have seen something that you might be just 60 years old and you have not seen the kind of things a 17-year-old has seen.
Never heard something like that, but
I
I don't know
know,
how true
but-
is that. I don't know how true is that, but yeah.
I know it's hard for people to accept that because it's not very common, and people are not open-minded enough to understand that and to take
process it.
Yeah.
process it.
Neither I am.
exactly.
Neither I am.
Yeah, that's it, and that is why I'm saying I think I found my people. Yeah,
Seriously?
because we have just seen everything. It's not like we're not trauma bonding,
Okay.
but we know that these are the things that we have went through and we have came out of it. We have
Grown out
risen
of-
up like a phoenix. Like we
Okay.
hit
Out
the
of
rock bottom and then we just
Damn.
rose up and we met each other. So why not?
How long you been together?
You won't believe, I know her since 11th June. Like 11th, like my class.
This-
like
this 11th?
25 June.
Yeah.
And we got close. I knew her from 11th, but we got close enough from like this January only, this year's January.
Yeah.
And we're
Damn.
that close.
तो 6th month भी तो क्या ही मतलब
It is
It's
like
about the people. That's what I'm saying. It's about the people.
it's वो कहते हैं ना कौन सी फिल्म थी वो
कौन सी?
नो कैमरा प्लीज
ओके. तो मैं ब्लर भी कर सकता हूँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ओके वो कौन सी मूवी थी रणवीर कपूर की
I don't
जिंदगी
remember.
क्या ए जिंदगी
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी
दिल है
दोबारा.
मुश्किल.
आई डोंट नो
मुझे क्या पता.
आई डोंट नो जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा या व्हाटएवर दीपिका, रणवीर, अदिति.
ये जवानी है
ये
दीवानी.
जवानी
ये कैसे भूल गए? This is classic.
नब हो गई थी मैं. तो उसमें कहती है ना अदिति, कुछ लोगों के साथ कुछ वक्त काटने से सब ठीक हो जाता है.
Oh damn damn damn.
तो
Exactly.
these are my yellows. इनके साथ वक्त
That's
काट
true.
के सब ठीक हो जाता है.
Like the whole world is so blue and we are just so yellow.
Damn. कब तक कंटिन्यू रहोगे ऐसा तुम्हारा?
ये सब पूछते हैं.
नहीं ऐसा attachment
Like
नहीं है.
see the whole blue and just
The
little
yellow.
Oh.
Even in my wallpaper, it's all blue and then this yellow. Here it's yellow.
Oh,
It's like
okay.
everything is so blue. And then you
You're
find
just
your yellow.
outshining the world, being with your people.
I know it's deep.
Yeah, too deep at your age. And you guys at 19, I literally had no good conversation than this. Literally. अभी तक मैंने जो भी 60s 80s से बात करी ना, उनके साथ थोड़ा अच्छा लगा था क्योंकि they used to say एकदम random चीज़ें. मतलब for them happiness was nothing. For them happiness was talking to strangers. हवा चल रही है, अच्छा लग रहा है. That was happiness. After living complete 80 years of your life, doing world tours, that was not happiness for them.
Why?
So, and
Because
again,
you know when you don't find
Experience doesn't
yourself.
come with age.
Yeah, it doesn't. And the fact that some people, they just live their life and they don't even know themselves.
right, they
And
live in
that is
void.
why they don't know the happiness.
Maybe.
Because I know me, she know like herself.
Hmm.
We all just we know us.
How you guys get here actually? मतलब,
I'm a very spiritual person. You're connected spiritually.
oh damn.
It's all there. It's all in the universe. It's just your
And-
perspective.
And so irony of this, but we used to be friends, like not good friends,
Yeah,
but we used to
be
sit
in a group.
together in the
Yeah.
class
Okay.
since 11th, and first day से हम लोग साथ में हैं, but हम इतना clock ही नहीं हुए हैं.
हाँ. 11th
And
में we didn't
randomly, Jan में it was like na
talk.
meant
Just
to
a day
be.
before my birthday.
Okay.
We just clocked in,
Yeah,
like
and we hang out
yeah.
that day, like that whole day.
So
And
you
it
guys
was
count it as a destiny or something?
yeah.
Maybe.
Like you were meant
And
to
that,
meet.
that group, it broke apart.
Oh.
It was
Yeah.
like a group of snakes.
Yeah, and then
Yeah, it was.
it was what to say.
अभी तो तुमने ग्रुपिज्म देखा नहीं है यार, कॉलेज में देखना तुम क्या होता है ग्रुपिज्म. So yeah, last one. What's your name? अरे
She's not comfortable.
I'm 49. One stranger close to 50. You don't have to be part of a video. You can talk like that only.
You can ask questions, she'll answer.
What's your name? Vedant. What do you do?
12th.
Neat.
No, commerce CA.
तुम लोग तो एक क्लास में भी नहीं हो यार,
Oh,
फिर
I'm
भी
telling
कैसे?
her, she's my hostel friend. We were in the same hostel.
ओके, तो तीनों सेम हॉस्टल में हो?
नहीं
हम दोनों नीट में पीडब्ल्यू में साथ में थे and I
Okay.
was with her. So basically I'm the common friend here
Okay.
and I introduced.
अच्छा, okay. Nice यार. So what it is for you? What makes you happy in life? तीनों के सेम ही आंसर है ऑलमोस्ट. क्या मतलब और कुछ अपार्ट फ्रॉम
Basically,
दिस?
she
Her career.
brought
Her
life.
career.
ओके.
That's what makes her happy. Achieving something, being there for herself,
Okay.
Independent.
being independent.
So
Makes her happy.
being independent actually in a मतलब
way.
डॉक्टर वे
In
और
a financial way.
फाइनेंशियल वे, मतलब you have got nothing to do with डॉक्टर वाला पार्ट की. मोस्ट पीपल आर कि मेरे को सर्व करना है नेशन को ऐसा वैसा.
No, she's preparing for CA.
Oh, okay, sorry. Oh, damn यार. So
got
damn
it wrong.
confusing. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I got confused. Nation कहाँ से आ गया?
I was like इतने नीटली आए तो.
नहीं.
CA.
She's a commerce student.
मतलब पैसा.
पैसा बोलता है.
Only पैसा.